Hey guys, welcome back to another Project Paradise video. Today we'll be looking at the all-inclusive Riu Palace in Costa Rica. The hotel is found on Playa Matapalo, which stretches along the Gulf of Papagayo. Playa Matapalo is relatively quiet as there's only one other hotel competing for the beach space, and the airport is only 30 minutes away by car. As you enter the reception to check in, you are greeted with a warm and friendly welcome and a glass of bubbly. The reception has a striking central sculpture and is decorated with a modern color palettes of silvers, blues, and blacks. The reception is large and has plenty of seating space in case of any wait, but usually the check-ins are smooth and quick. The room is stylish and modern with its white and grey color scheme. There are also hints of deep purple to complement the style. The beds are really comfortable and are backed by eye-catching backboards that match the white bedside tables on either side. All balconies come fully furnished with the views of the ocean, or the others overlook the beautiful hotel's landscaped grounds. All rooms have free Wi-Fi, flat-screen TVs, and a safe. The room also benefits from coffee makers, a fully stocked minibar, and a liquor dispenser at your disposal. The open-plan bathroom continues the room's sleek design. The bathroom has double vanities with plenty of counter space, in addition to toiletries by Argento. The room also has a shower with a rainfall shower head, as well as a purple glass block wall and frosted glass door. Within the bathroom, you will also have a separate hydro massage bathtub. The pool area is comprised of 4 pools. There is the main activity pool that is split into 2 parts. There are 2 side pools for relaxing, and there is the final swim-up pool bar. The main pool is a long stretching pool where the activities like water aerobics, water polo, and games happen. Along the side of the pool you will find in-water lounge chairs so you can enjoy the sun without getting too hot. Then there's the infinity pool edge that leads you to the second half of the pool where a water volleyball net is set up for some fun games. Right in front of the main pool is where you will find the swim-up pool bar, where you can grab a wonderful drink and enjoy it on the in-water bar stools and tables. To the left of the pool bar is the relaxing pool. This is the pool that has no activities going on during the day and is meant to be a much quieter of an atmosphere for those looking for a relaxing holiday. Unfortunately, due to its proximity to the other activity pool, it still gets pretty loud. To the right of the pool bar is another pool that is accessible to all with its full ramp into the water. The activities you will find here is basketball. There are also in-water lounges here, so you will be able to enjoy the show of people having fun whilst relaxing in the water. The beach is an uncrowded stretch of stunning clean beach. The beach has grey beige sand and has plenty of sun loungers to go around, so you are never without one. The beach is almost in a cove and is fringed by rolling hills on either side. The hotel's main buffet restaurant, Areno, is elegant with an orange and grey color scheme and its comfortable wicker chairs. Here they serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and considering it's resort food, it's actually pretty good. There is a vast selection available, which caters to all tastes and dietary restrictions. There are also 4 themed restaurants that serve a la carte and require advanced reservation. There is Alforna, the Italian restaurant, Tokyo, the Japanese restaurant, Crystal, the fusion cuisine restaurant, and Papagayo, the steakhouse. The Papagayo restaurant has a classic buffet at lunch, giving you more lunch options during the day. If you are feeling peckish, but but don't want to grab a full meal, you can always snack on popcorn, hot dogs, and tortilla chips at Lounge 24, which is always open and features floor-to-ceiling windows with a beautiful ocean view. Room service is also available 24 hours a day. Cappuccino is the restaurant's lobby cafe and serves coffee with ice cream and pastries. There are plenty of bars at this property for you to grab a drink at, which offer a different environment at each one. The first bar you would encounter is Daiquiri, the lobby bar. This bar is located just behind the reception area. This has more of a chilled atmosphere and is perfect for an afternoon cocktail or two before dinner. Then there's the Coconut, which is the swim-up bar that we saw earlier, but there's also an area behind it where you can sit down and relax. Finally, you have the two last bars, called Melody and Stars. Both of these are at either end of the theater, which is nice so that there's never too long of a queue to get a drink at either bar. This is where the main entertainment takes place, and as always in places like this, entertainment is good fun as long as it's not taken too seriously. There's also plenty of seats available in the area, so there's never a concern of not getting a seat. The hotel has a large, spacious gym. The gym is shared with the sister hotel right next door, which means it can get pretty crowded in the mornings. However, there is plenty of equipment and options for most types of workouts. The Renova Spa offers a range of treatments, including a beauty salon. It also has a beautiful Greek-style whirlpool set under a dramatic dome ceiling and surrounded by pillars. Thank you for watching another Project Paradise video. Smash the like and subscribe button if you found this video useful or helpful in any way. And if you have any questions about the resort, feel free to drop the comment down below and I will do my best to answer them. I release a new video every week about another Paradise Vacation hotel.